We'll guide you through how to convert a PDF file to an Excel file. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This is super straightforward to do. As you can see here, mine is here. When it's an Excel file, we can go and do more of the data. So to go and do this, we need to go and open up Word. So let me go and open it up now. Then what you need to do is come over to the left and click on Open. Go and click on Browse. Then go and locate the PDF you want to go and do this with. With it selected, click on Open in the bottom right. Now Word can go and convert this PDF into a Word document, and we can then go and edit it. As you can see, here it is. But now we want to go and get it into an Excel file. So all you need to do is go and click in the top left cell of the table and click, hold and drag. Go and select the entire table like so. Then what you can do is right click and press copy, or press Ctrl and C. Now you can come to Excel like so. Then we can right click and we can come into paste options. And what you can do is you can go and select match destination formatting like so, and that's it.